Hello. Glad to see you again. Today I would like to share with you the video about Sun. Rules Leo. Exaltation Aries. Detriment Aquarius. Fall Libra. Responsible. Eyes. Soul. Government. Father. GIF. Shield of Helios, or Circle of Infinity. The dot represents the person within. Represents power urge, personality, ego, anatomy, the heart, upper back, spleen, circulatory system, the sperm, right eye of male, and left eye of female. Keyword, inner self. General, the main expression of the individual. It shows the qualities of leadership and success. And it represents the masculine principle, the husband, father, men. Sun, it rules health, vital principles, and authority and bosses, title, high office, rank, progress, energy, dignity, sense of identity and capacity for experience. So its action is fortifying, vitalizing. The sun in your chart is the life and heart of the chart. It is where you want to shine. Aquarius, the water bearer. Keyword is imagination. Positive characteristics: independent, inventive, tolerant, individualistic, progressive, artistic, scientific, logical, humane, intellectual, altruistic. Negative characteristics: unpredictable, temperamental, bored by detail, cold, too fixed in opinion, shy, eccentric, radical, impersonal, rebellious. Sun in Aquarius. Your sun is in the sign of Aquarius, which indicates that you are unconventional, friendly, unpredictable and innovative. Anything new and original will appeal, especially if it is contrary to conventions. You like to try ideas that no one has thought of before. However, it can be an indiscriminate rebellion against tradition. Not that you mind, because you firmly believe in people who have freedom of individual expression and are not oppressed by society's expectations. Regular Livewire, you have the electric quality of your personality, which makes it difficult for you to sit for a long time and also makes you attractive to people from all walks of life. You can also enjoy working in a group that is fighting for a specific thing. The irony is that while we fight for the freedom of the individual, you also have the talent to see the needs of humanity as a whole. Because of this, you may find that issues such as the environment and world peace are close to you. However, any world news can spark your creative ideas for change. Register to see free online horoscopes. You register quickly via Facebook or by email. Step 2. Enter your date of birth. Find the city of birth according to the syntax: city, state, country. Check your date of birth. Step 3. Your date of birth information will be assigned to an ID code. You use this ID code to view the horoscope online in different tabs.
Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, please tell me. If you want free horoscopes, please watch below video.
Thank you.
See you in the next video.